Crazy Creative Kitchen. Welcome back to my stay home recipes. Today's stay home recipe is, it's not new to the platform. Everyone makes it, but today I'm gonna make banana bread. So this is my stay home banana bread recipe. And so to make banana bread, you need flour, baking soda, sugar, vanilla, nutmeg, banana. I'm gonna add eggs in mine. You don't have to add the eggs, but on my recipe, I'm gonna add some eggs and I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. So I'm gonna drop the link in the description with the recipe. So I'm not gonna tell you the recipe as I go along. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description down below. So if you want my recipe, go down below. You can go scratch from scratch and you can make your banana bread. So what I'm doing first is I put all my dry ingredients. I put my flour, my nutmeg, my cinnamon, my baking soda, my salt, and I mix those and I set it aside. Then I'm gonna take my bananas, I'm gonna peel my bananas. I'm gonna take a wooden spoon, I'm gonna smash them. You can put it in a blender, you can smash it with a mashed potato smashing thing, or you can smash it with a cup, but I'm gonna smash it with a wooden spoon just because I wanna look like I'm doing something fancy, whatever. So this is just me acting for YouTube, acting like I'm a real chef. So anyway, so now I'm smashing my bananas. So you don't want them to be too smooth and you don't want them to be too rough. So I'm just smashing my bananas. Then I'm gonna add all my wet ingredients. Then I'm gonna mix my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients in my grease bread thingy, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna bake at 335 for 45 minutes, and after that the magic is gonna happen. You're gonna get fantastic bread pudding. So I'm adding as I said, I don't have to give you the amounts because I'm gonna add the link in the description with the recipe. So I'm adding my milk, my butter, my eggs, and voila. So I'm gonna add all this stuff, mix it in, get it nice and smooth, and then I'm gonna add it to my wet ingredients. As always, hit that like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, you can check out my playlist for the stay home videos. I'm gonna come at you on Tuesday with my bread recipe, so look out for that. And check out my daughter making her instant coffee thing on my previous video. I think that's my Sunday video. So if you're watching this, it's Monday. So I think on my Sunday video, my daughter made that instant whipped coffee thing. I've never seen it done before. It's pretty cool. So check that out. And as always, Crazy Creative Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe is a vibe. So now we're gonna add our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. We're gonna mix it slowly, not to get any lumps, whatever. And after that, we're gonna just pour it in, or we're gonna pour it in our baking bread pan. I'm using a Pyrex one. You can use metal, whatever of your choice. And we're gonna bake 335, 45 minutes. Magic's gonna happen. You're gonna get fantastic bread pudding without leaving your house. And as always, you can make this with the kids. No rush in making these recipes. These are like fun recipes for the house. Everyone enjoys it. Who doesn't like bread pudding? And here we go. We're gonna set up for that magic. see you in 45 minutes. So bread pudding in my oven, 45 minutes. I'll see you and we'll talk about how fantastic this look. And voila. Thanks for watching Crazy Creative Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe. It's a vibe.
No, he's all right.